The estimation calculator is designed to be easy to use. You start by entering a problem, the way you would with a regular calculator, but you also have to enter an estimate before any output appears on the screen. The first output you see will be an error bar at the center of the display, showing the percent that your estimate differs from the correct answer. There's a red box around plus or minus 15% in the error region. The correct answer will appear once your estimate is within this range. The correct answer won't appear until you make a reasonable estimate. By default, we have the region of a reasonable estimate set to plus or minus 15%, but you can change this acceptable interval so that, for example, the red box could surround an acceptable interval of plus or minus 10%, plus or minus 35%, or any other value. We are excited to introduce the Randomize feature that lets learners practice with problems that the calculator develops at random. If I click Randomize, the calculator generates a random problem for a user to estimate. If I click it again, the calculator generates a different problem. Notice that the problems that the calculator generates by default are 3-digit by 2-digit or 3-digit by 1-digit addition problems. These are good problems for learners to practice getting accustomed to the interface. Once a learner is ready to practice more challenging problems, you can set the difficulty level. First click Set Random Level. This switches you to a customization screen. First, to make the problems more challenging, you can uncheck or less. This checkbox makes sure that the second number has less digits than the first. When it is unchecked, both numbers will have the same amount of digits, in this case 3 digits. Click Done, and the calculator switches back to the estimation mode. Now click Randomize again, and notice that the calculator produces a 3-digit by 3-digit addition problem. Just for fun, let's make an estimate. You can see the result. Let's go back to the Set Random Level screen. Notice that you can choose any combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. If you want, you can focus on just one of these, of course. You can also experiment with different amounts of digits, and you can introduce decimal numbers. We encourage you to experiment with these new features and use them by yourself or with students.